Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a rounded corner selection in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First apply step on shape tool, rounded rectangle, use shape radius, example 15 pixels, press enter without stroke. Then draw a shape, hold Ctrl, click on the shape layer, then hide and again use image. Then move anywhere or create a clipping mask and apply step 2. Right click rectangle or marquee tool, select modify smooth, example use 15 pixels, click OK. See this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.